All right, let's continue. Listen up, don't write. Now we have more examples on the board. We are to expand and simplify the following. A says what? X minus 3 bracket x plus 5. I'm going to teach you other two ways you can easily expand these two brackets aside from using the diagram. The first way is this. You are going to share these two among them. What do I mean? This is x, right? Put it out of the bracket, then x plus 5. Then the next one, minus 3x plus 5. Is it clear? What did I do? I shared this first bracket among, I shared it, the two numbers among this bracket. Do you understand? Okay, so let's move on. X times x is what? X squared. X times 5 plus 5x. Now let's move on. Minus 3 times x is what? Minus 3x. Minus times minus is what? Plus. 3 times 5, 15. Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. Minus times plus. It's minus. Thank you very much. It's plus. It's minus, sorry. Then we move on. X squared plus 5x minus 3x. What does it imply? That you have yes and you are owing. So you have minus, no, is it minus? No, sorry, plus 2x minus 15. That is all. If we want to do it direct, we can as well do it direct. Let's see. So you tell me which is better for you. X times x is what? X squared. X times 5 is what? Plus 5x. This is minus. Minus 3 times x is what? Minus 3x. Minus 3 plus 5. Don't forget, minus times plus is what? Minus. 3 times 5 is 15. So x squared plus what? 2x minus 15. Did you not get the same answer? So this one is kind of more explanatory. That also, it brings it out more easier for you to solve. So let's do the next one, B. So let's continue with this formula. Yeah? Let's continue with this. The B says 5 bracket 2x minus 1, 3x minus 2. What do we do? It seems confusing here, but it is not. We first of all use this to expand this before we use it to work on that. What do I mean? 5 times 2x is what? 10x. Plus times minus is what? Minus. 5 times 1, 5. So this is now this bracket, then 3x minus 2. So like we said, we are going to share this first bracket. So how do we do? What do we have? 10x bracket 3x minus 2. Okay? Minus 5, 3x minus 2. Is that clear? Okay, so let's move on. 10x times 3 is what? 30x squared. Okay? Minus, right? Because there's a plus and minus. 10x times 2 is what? 20x. Then minus. 5 times 3x is what? 15x. Minus times minus is what? Plus. 5 times 2, 10. So there are some common terms among them. Is that also? So we have 30x squared minus what? 15x. This is minus 28, this is minus 15. That means you are owing this and owing this. Together, how much are you owing? Minus 35. 35x plus 10. Any question? The square is because x times x. X times x, so that becomes squared. Yes, are you good? Okay. So let's move on. So number 6. How to percent? Okay. Minus 2. If you notice, it has 2 brackets. A bigger one and a smaller one. What that implies is we are going to finish with everything on this small bracket before we multiply everything by the one on the outer bracket. Let's do it. So we have 5 what? 5a minus 4 bracket close minus 2a minus 5 bracket close, then the bigger bracket close. Okay, so let's work on this first. So we have minus 2 remains, we don't need it for now. So let's express it. I think we are going to, it's easier for us to use this one here now. What do I mean? 5a times minus 2a is what? Plus times minus is what? Minus. 5 times 2, 10. A times a squared. Your square is important, oh. That small thing up there is very, very important. Now let's use it here. Plus times minus is minus. 5 times 5, 25. A remains. Is that also? Then moving on to the next. Minus times minus plus 4 times 2a, 8a. Minus times minus plus 4 times 5, 20. Bracket close. This thing is, we are now left with the bigger bracket. But we can actually work on these two together before we move. So, right quickly, let me rub off the words on this thing. Are you done with this? Yes. Alright, let's continue. Stop writing. Let's move on. Nobody has asked me why we don't add this or this one together. Don't they all have a? Good job! Because of the square, so they are no longer age mates. They are no longer mates. Okay, so let's move on. We have minus 2 bracket. Come on, big bracket we are using. Minus 10a squared. You owe 25 A's and you have 8 A's. So you still have how many A's to pay? 33 A's. No! Incorrect. You owe this, you have this. 8 A's, 17 A's. Good. Is it 17? 16, you have to confirm it. That means 25 minus 8. 17 A's. Do you get it now? So you have minus 17a, okay, plus 20. So now you can now move. Minus times minus is what? Plus. 2 times 10, 20a squared, because it's everything that is carried. Minus times minus plus. 2 times 17, 34a. 34a. Minus times plus minus 2 times 20, 40. We have gotten our answer. No! Like you answered me correctly. The squared here has differentiated it from this. So they are not like it. You can't call them like numbers. Okay, so let's move on to the last on our list. Example for today's class. D. What does it say? It says 2x squared minus 4. Okay, close. X minus what? 6. So what are we going to do? We are going to share this bracket. Is that also? So we have 2x bracket x minus 6. Sorry, 2x squared is very important. Minus 4. Sorry, minus 4, right? X minus 6. That's so. So this will now be what? 2x squared times 2x cubed. Plus times minus is what? Minus. 2 times 6, 12, with the x and the square and the carry. So minus times minus is what? Plus. 4 times x. Okay, sorry, we are jumping to this. Minus times plus is minus. Minus 4 times x, 4x. Minus times minus plus 4 times 6, 24. So we have like numbers we do not have. Do we? We don't have. So this is our answer. Look at it very well. Do you have a problem? Excuse me, please. Do you have a problem? Okay, that will be all for now.